This is the frequently asked questions section of this course. If you simply look at the title of each one, you'll know exactly what it's about. I try to make each video as short as possible, focused 100% on answering just one question. Now, I apologize in advance. Some of this is going to duplicate other aspects of the course. There's simply no other way I could do this and make it easy for you to access. So if you see the title is a subject you don't care about, or you feel like you learned everything you needed to from another entire section of this course, my advice, just skip it or fast forward through it. If you don't have time to go through the entire course and you've got a few questions, this section is designed to save you time. So you can click right on the question that is burning away at you. So let's hop in. And again, I politely, respectfully am asking you, don't give me low ratings on this course because you say there's some duplication. I'm giving you a really long course, 550 lectures, and there's trade-offs with everything. I'm trying to give you more and more and more, answer all of your questions, so that's why you'll see some duplication here. Thanks.